In this video, how to install Netcat on Windows. Netcat is a versatile network security tool that can be used by administrators for various network operations, including checking open ports, transferring data over a network connection, and performing security assessments. The first way, we can install Netcat for Windows with Nmap. Once done, open Windows Terminal and run the ncat version command to check the installed Netcat version. The second way, we can install Netcat using Windows Package Manager. The Windows Package Manager, also known as Wingit, is a free and open-source package manager designed by Microsoft for Windows 10 and Windows 11. It included in Windows by default. Netcat is a super powerful tool for network admins. You can get more useful Netcat commands can be found in the help page. You can check if a port is opening on a remote or local machine. For example, we check the port 443 on a web server. Another example of Netcat. We'll check if an UDP port is opened on a remote host. By default, Netcat checks the TCP only, so we need to use UDP instead of TCP. Check SSL certificate on a host. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.